Technology is rapidly changing every day. New tech companies appear all the time, offering a wide variety of products that will fit the needs of any shopper. However, some of these products are on an entirely new level than their competition. Today, we'll be taking a look at 9 products that are on a whole other level. 9. LaserPecker. Laser engraving used to be an idea that only the rich and elite members of society could afford. Many tech companies offer laser engraving services for their products, though this option often comes with a hefty price tag. However, with LaserPecker, virtually anyone can laser engrave their products with ease and affordability. This compact laser etcher can be taken anywhere and is powered by a USB power bank. There is no difficult base design and no limit on what you can engrave. The device is controlled via Bluetooth by your smartphone and supports images of various formats, including JPEG, BMP, PNG, and many others. The LaserPecker can engrave anywhere from 0.01mm to 10 centimeters and can engrave text, images, paintings, and more. This device was built with durability in mind. Premium materials hold this product together and make it rigid, stable, and effective when etching for many hours at a time. There are several built-in safety measures to ensure that the product never overheats as well. Feel free to etch wood, paper, leather, foods, metals, and many other products with the simple push of a button. LaserPecker comes with a 30-day replacement guarantee and a full year warranty. 8. Voixatch. This product is super strange, but very innovative. Voixatch is a brand new product that is available now on Kickstarter. This is a smartwatch that offers all the great usability features of a regular smartwatch, but with an added bonus, a built-in Bluetooth headset. This is the world's first device that allows you to access all of the essential features of your smartphone through a watch, without ever needing to take your phone out of your pocket. It can adapt to your style each day with its interchangeable faceplates, so that your clothing will always match your accessories. In addition to this, the Bluetooth headset doubles as the watch band. This band can be removed from the top of the watch, and an ear hanger can be opened to allow the device to clip onto your ear. The earpiece will then connect to your phone automatically so that you can answer private phone calls without having to carry around a separate Bluetooth headset. These watches can be purchased right now on Kickstarter for just $169, making it cheaper than most standard smartwatches. 7. EyeRide HUD. EyeRide HUD is a new product that helps turn your biking helmet into a smart helmet with a very simple attachment. The device clips onto your favorite helmet and offers GPS capabilities, as well as support for music, making calls, and a constant heads-up display that shows all of your most relevant information. This product was designed by ex-BMW experts who have designed some of the greatest cars ever produced. This is truly an all-in-one device that combines the features of a standard heads-up display with GPS and hands-free functionality. You can even control the display with your voice, so you never have to take your hands away from the vehicle. The EyeRide system has been certified by many different agencies in the US, EU, and Canada. It makes for the perfect addition to any standard bike helmet and provides unsurpassed safety improvements. EyeRide currently has over 3,000 backers on Indiegogo, and this number is increasing every day. So, grab one before they are gone. Units cost as little as $327. 6. Solar Breeze. Solar Breeze, the name given to an automatic pool cleaner that makes pool cleaning a breeze. The Solar Breeze NX2 can remove up to 95% of debris from your pool without you ever having to lift a finger. The product is solar powered, meaning it never has to be charged and can be left in your pool for hours on end. The large battery capacity helps this cleaner to maintain a charge for at least 23 hours per day, making it perfect for warm summer days when the sun is shining the brightest. Much like a Roomba, the Solar Breeze is able to detect and navigate the edges of your pool without bumping into things, keeping every square inch of your pool properly cleaned. A chlorine dispenser is also built in, making this the perfect all-in-one device for your pool or spa. They can be found on Amazon for around $498. Though they are quite expensive, they are certainly cheaper than paying someone to keep your pool clean year-round. 5. Bucqle. Bucqle is a new device that hopes to eliminate the need for a belt, allowing you to properly tighten and fasten all of your favorite clothing items in style. The company claims that this is the most innovative replacement for a belt, and that certainly seems to be true. This product is built with premium metal materials and can fasten to virtually any pair of pants, allowing you to adjust them to your size and clip them in place. The product will then be tucked away on the inside of your waistband, almost completely out of sight. The slim design makes this belt replacement perfectly curved to your body and be infinitely adjustable. The buckle will not be felt by your hip and doesn't slip off unless you remove it. It will never slide open after being attached, and only one buckle is required per clothing item. These can be purchased on Indiegogo for just $56 for a limited time, and the company plans to ship units by July of 2020. 4. Aina Ring. The Aina Ring is a very stylish device that hopes to replace the need for a smartwatch. All of your phone's key features can be accessed with the simple touch of your finger, meaning you'll never have to look at your wrist or phone again. This device is one of the most ambitious products we have ever covered. It can control your smartphone and many other smart-enabled devices through its unique AI programming. You can even book a cab or taxi right from your Ring without needing to call anyone. Aina is also a fitness tracker that reports directly to the fitness apps on your phone. It can even be used as a Bluetooth headset by simply placing the Ring nearby your ear. You can respond to calls, text messages, and much more with ease and style. Pricing is currently unavailable, but so we will have to wait and see how much these rings will cost once they officially launch. 3. Ticktime. Ticktime allows you to manage time like never before, making it feel as though there are more than 24 hours in a day with its unsurpassed time management technology. You can make every moment of the day count with this sleek and futuristic gadget. Ticktime is a new type of timer that is designed to keep up with the demands of a standard 21st century family. The device is able to start and stop timers without you ever needing to push a button. The easy-to-read LED display makes your timers easy to read and access. It also offers a very loud speaker and a silent mode for when you're needing to time yourself during quiet hours. Its magnetic surface allows it to attach to virtually any metal surface, making it perfect for kitchen use. With the current trend of individuals working from home, this product is a must-have. It can help you better manage your at-home work time to allow you to squeeze every second of productivity out of your day. Timers can be purchased on Indiegogo for just $39. 2. SuperCalla. We have all struggled with charging cables at some point in our lives. They can be difficult to manage and often get kinked or tied up around nearby objects. SuperCalla aims to prevent this with a one-of-a-kind magnetic charging cable to solve all of your problems. SuperCalla is a super thick charging cable that can never get twisted or kinked and stores away using a series of magnets that attach to one another. These magnets coil the wire together so that it won't be loosely sliding around inside of your bag or luggage. It offers lightning-fast charging capability and is compatible with all major smartphone brands. 1. Pico. Pico is a new garden setup that hopes to bring indoor gardening into the modern world. This product will allow you to grow healthy plants virtually anywhere in your home, without the need for expensive grow lights and powerful indoor equipment. Pico is a very tiny planter and light setup that can be taken anywhere and will power your plants day or night. Its built-in LED lights are proven to be the only light source most indoor plants require, making for healthy plant growth in any room of your home. A single Pico costs just $29 on Kickstarter and will ship sometime around May of this year.